Across government departments, large volumes of documents, circulars, applications, and compliance reports are processed every day. Most of this work is still handled manually, resulting in delays, inconsistencies, missing information, and a heavy workload on officers. Information is spread across PDF files, portals, and emails, making it difficult to find the right answer at the right time. Governments need a secure, scalable, and explainable AI platform that improves efficiency while maintaining governance and transparency. That is where CSM's AI Foundry comes in. This is AI Foundry, a unified platform designed specifically for enterprise and government AI automation. After logging in, you land on a clean, role-based dashboard showing your bots, agents, pipelines, documents, and analytics. Everything, from RAG systems to BI agents to document validation, is centrally managed in a secure and governed environment. Let's begin with the Agentic RAG chatbot. When it opens, the bot greets the user and can answer queries using website content and live circular data fetched through APIs. First, I'll ask a website-based question. The agent retrieves the required section, reasons over it, and provides a clear, source-backed answer. Next, I'll ask about a circular. The agent calls the circular API, extracts the latest information, and returns a concise, explainable response, demonstrating the power of Agentic RAG. Now let's look at how the Agentic RAG chatbot is configured in CSM's AI Foundry. Each bot is powered by a pipeline, a visual workflow containing LLM components, tools, and knowledge bases. Here you can see the pipeline design. This is the website knowledge base component, which automatically crawls, chunks, embeds, and indexes website pages. This is the circulars component, which call the circular API and provide real-time information to the agent. By connecting these components, the chatbot is able to answer multi-source queries with full traceability. Everything is configurable without writing any code. Moving into analytics, the BI agent transforms user queries into reports, charts, and summaries instantly. This agent can analyze structured data and generate insights instantly. Here I will ask it to generate a tabular report. The system automatically converts the question into SQL, runs the query, and displays the table. Now I'll ask for a graph. The agent creates a visual chart based on the data set and renders it in real time. I can also ask for a summary, and the agent generates a natural language explanation of the data. I can request a PowerPoint presentation. The agent generates an automated PPT containing tables, graphs, and insights, ready to download and use. This is the configuration screen for the BI agent. From here, the bot settings can be adjusted and connected to the agents that power SQL generation, chart creation, and data summarization. These agents are hosted within the platform and exposed through APIs, which the bot uses during its workflow. Opening the agent configuration reveals the reasoning flow and how different tools are orchestrated. And this is the database connection page, used to securely link departmental databases for analytics. CSM's AI Foundry also supports document validation, an important use case for government workflows. I upload a valid certificate and enter the required details. The system analyzes the document using OCR, LLM extraction, and rule-based validation. Here is the output. All fields match the user-provided information. Both the machine-generated result and the human verification view are displayed side by side for transparency. Now let's try an invalid case. I upload a certificate and enter information that does not match the document. The system highlights mismatched fields, missing data, and inconsistencies. Again, the human view and AI view are shown, allowing officers to quickly identify errors. This drastically reduces manual workload and ensures accurate document verification. Here is the high-level process flow. The document goes through OCR, field extraction, validation rules, exception handling, and final verification. This pipeline can be customized for any government certificate or form. CSM AI Foundry is built with a modular architecture, including RAG engines, agentic workflows, pipeline orchestration, and observability. It is designed for secure, scalable, and explainable government deployment. Here are some key features of CSM AI Foundry. Flows. Build visual pipelines for agents, RAG, BI logic, and document processing. Guardrails. Set safety rules, access controls, and output policies for compliant AI behavior. Knowledge base. Manage website crawls, PDFs, structured data, and embeddings in one place. Models. Centrally manage LLMs, embeddings, and model policies across departments. Observability. Track LLM calls, token usage, latency, errors, and analytics with full audit trails. These features make AI Foundry enterprise-ready and ideal for government ecosystems. In summary, CSM AI Foundry brings together RAG chatbots, agentic workflows, BI automation, and document validation into a single, secure, and powerful platform for digital governance. It enables government departments to improve efficiency, reduce manual effort, and deliver faster, more transparent services to citizens. This is CSM's AI Foundry, building the future of intelligent public service delivery.